Hello everybody, this video I'm going to show you how to make hummingbird food. You need two ingredients. One is 4 cups of water and granulated white sugar, 1 cup. So get 1 cup, forget the name of this thing now. I keep forgetting the names anyway. Get this with a 1 cup and 4 cups of water. You don't have to use 4 cups of Pyrex, or you can get a 2 cup and add 2 and 2. But I just happen to have a 4 cup over here. So what you do is you're gonna boil the water. So dump the water. Then get 1 cup of sugar. So the ratio is 4 to 1. It's almost empty. So I got a cup of sugar here. And put that, once it start boiling, I'll just add it there. Alright, so let me wait till this thing almost starts to boil before I put the sugar. Alright, it's starting to steam, so put the sugar in there. And start mixing it until all the sugar dissolves. Now when this is done, I usually transfer it to the Pyrex so I can pour it into my bird feeder. Turn this off. That's terrible, huh? Alright, so you have to clean that up now, my mess. Anyway, this is the hummingbird food. Let it cool down before you put it in the feeder. Alright, that's it. That's how you make hummingbird food DIY. Alright, so 4 to 1 ratio. 4 cups of water, 1 cup of sugar. Alright, that's it. If this helped, please like and subscribe. Hope to see you next time. Hope this helped. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.